Angular is a framework which allows you to create reactive single-page applications. A nice sentence, but what exactly does it mean? A single-page application is an application like this, the project we're going to build throughout the course. You can navigate around there, and in the URL you can see that we seem to visit different pages, but in the end, our page never changes. It's only one HTML file and a bunch of JavaScript code we got from the server, and everything which you see here, every change, is rendered in the browser. Now, why is that awesome? Because it gives the user a very reactive user experience. JavaScript is much faster than having to reach out to a server for every page change and for every new piece of data you want to display. And therefore, this approach allows you to create web applications which look and feel almost like mobile applications. Very fast, everything happens instantly, and if you do need some data from a server, you simply load it in the background so that the user never leaves this experience of having a reactive web application to use. So every click I do here simply changes this one single page we're using, this one HTML page. And how is that done? Well, JavaScript changes the DOM, changes whatever is displayed here, changes the HTML code during runtime, so to say. That is why you never see that refresh icon on the top left spin, because we're only changing the currently loaded page. And you can even see that if you inspect the source code of a page like this, that is the HTML file, and as you can see, it doesn't seem to contain the content you are seeing on this page. We only have one single HTML element, which doesn't seem to be a built-in one, a native one. But that's Angular doing its job, and throughout the course, you're going to learn what exactly happens here and how Angular does this job.